Yo, what's up, guys? A very good morning to you guys. Welcome to another day of Market Outlook, Voice Market Outlook. So, today we're going, um, first of all, I was thinking we should go straight to gold, first of all, before I talk about GBPUSD. What I want to talk about gold is that for you to know, you need to know that gold is very, very tricky this period. And honestly, if I'm to advise anyone, I would advise you to stay away from gold. If I'm to advise anyone, I would advise you to stay away from gold because at the moment, gold is still pretty much bullish from the 4 hours. Like we said before, gold broke uh, gold broke this trend line, which was the resistance line, and it's now support. It broke it since then. It has not touched any of the support region for us to see possible mitigation upward. It has just be dancing around this area, forming another kind of falling wedge. Okay, so let's see how this falling wedge plays out. At the moment, I see expecting gold to at least come down to touch here before we see a possible buy up. So let's go to GBPUSD. These are my favorite pairs. GBPUSD. I may be touching Euro USD today. Euro USD today. So if you remember, guys, we talked about we talked about yesterday. We talked about this trend line I will be trading from. For GBPUSD now, the trend line is already very close. If this market closes above, if this 4 hour candlestick now, if this 4 hour candlestick, if this 4 hour candlestick closes above, closes in bullish now, it means it has already broken this trend line. Then we will not be looking for buys, but I would actually be expecting price to at least still come down to come down at least, maybe let's say back into this former demand zone before we not expect a buy up. But if price decide to break up first of all before coming down, it means it has another plan because we follow by action. So let's see how it plays out. Let's just check the lower time frame. From the lower time frame, let me check 15 minutes. From the lower time frame, it already showed that it already broke the um that trend line. It broke it. It already broke it and even retested it. So as you can see, it broke it here, went up, came down, retested it, went up again, came down, created a low, went up again, and I came to use this candlestick to clear out stops here. So let me from here, if you want to draw a kind of a demand zone from this lower time frame, what you'll be doing will be something like this. Let me do it. Let me draw something like this. So it's a demand zone. But this is not entirely the demand zone. This is just like a mini demand zone for 5 minutes. The real demand zone is from here. Let me show you the real demand zone. You read demand to starting from here. Yeah, this is the real demand zone. And so since when we broke it here, since when we broke market here, we're still waiting for it to come to create another high. Market have not created another high. So we still expecting market at least for us to confirm our buys because market already from 15 minutes now, market already broke that trend line. So it's already showing that market wants to buy. It's already tired of selling and it means something like oversold. So we're expecting price to at least come up to create a new high, come down. These are internal liquidity, one, internal liquidity two, internal liquidity three. So we are expecting price to at least take each of any of these liquidity, either one, two, three. So any of the liquidity it takes at watching out on the liquidity that it will take out. If it takes this liquidity and shows buy action for buy, we'll buy. But if it does not show buy action for buy, we'll wait until maybe it comes to this. I feel it will come to this side before it starts buying. So it will come to this region, take out all this liquidity, but not taking out this liquidity. But this is a very strong liquidity point. So should just come around this region first of all before buying upward. So this is what I should be expecting. So once market comes down again, once that confirm a new high, and now we're very sure that it's already a new high, we can then when it comes down, we can start looking for buys. So you may want to cash this buy up now. Get how can you cash it? You can cash it from a lower time frame. Let's use a lower time frame to look for how to cash this and buy. That will be a risky buy. Although I may not enter, you get. I'm just um, saying that okay, if maybe you're a scalper and you would want to cash. Sometimes we do scalp, but it's not something we do always. Do it once in a while. So for if you're a trader you want to scalp this market, you can enter from this region from the 5 minutes. From the 5 minutes. This was a inducement. That's why I'm doing it. This is where an inducement happened. 5 minutes inducement. So market came down. Market came down. Market came down. Took out these lows with this candlestick. Took out this low and this low before going up to create a new high. You get. They call this a V-shaped reversal. So this is a very strong low that is very very protected. So what we'll be seeing now from lower time frames for market at least come down to test this region. Maybe testing this region will actually make it to mitigate this trend line again before buying upward. So either of these things could happen. So let's see how it plays out, guys. Let's see how it plays out. So then so Euro USD. I've never analyzed this pair before, but let's analyze it today. But Euro USD move like EU, like GU. So yeah, Euro USD didn't move like GU, but we can see they pick something from this. From the 4 hour time frame, market is still very much bearish from 4 hour time frame because let me show you this was a high that never got broken. This was a high. This is our high and this is our low. This is our low. So what we'll be expecting now at the moment price was supposed to come from the 4 hour. Price was supposed to come down. Price was supposed to come down. create new low. But at the moment, it looks as if there's like a price action for possible buys. So what we'll be looking at is price coming up to take out this high first of all, this infrastructure high, before coming down. Something like this coming up, taking this high before coming down to create a new low. And we can confirm this from a lower time frame. Can confirm this from a lower time frame. Let's check a lower time frame. Yeah, from a lower time frame, you can see the trend going down and up, down and up, down and up. See what's the infrastructure high of for 1 hour. Let me draw it out. Um, so this is the infrastructure high for 1 hour, and this is the low. And this is the low. This is the infrastructure low for 1 hour. So like I said, so I told you that it's going to at least take out this high. Take out this high first of all. This high. So you want to take out this high first of all before coming down. So it will go like this. So it will go like this, something like this. It will go something like this. It will go something like this. You get taking out this high before a possible sell downward. So that GU breakout from the trend line, that was just 15 minutes GU breakout. But 1 hour I haven't broken yet. 4 hours I haven't broken yet. So if 1 hour didn't break above, it just closed below. It means that 15 minutes breakout was just a false breakout, and that would be like a form of um it be like a form of